Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. As you have seen in the thumbnail, so this video is all about Sastra 2024 counseling. So they have released the ranks yesterday. So now what we have to do after that? So how you have to fill the choices? Till when you have to fill? Like what's the deadline? What's the counseling schedule? And all that will be discussed in this particular video. So without taking much time, let's get into the video and get to know more about Sastra 2024 counseling. Okay, so Sastra counseling also I'm going to mentor. I am personally going to mentor you. So I'm not going to mentor more than 15 students. Already two are already there for Sastra. So another 13 slots are left. So if you want to join this mentorship program, so you can use this link. I'll be leaving this page link in the description. You can click this, enter your name, email, WhatsApp number, and which counseling. So only you have only Sastra as option. Sastra, click this, and state, which state, whether you belong to Tamil Nadu state or other state, and enter your All India rank. And if you are a Tamil Nadu student, enter your Tamil Nadu rank. And if you are from Thanjavur or Trichy district, you can select that. If you don't have that, put NA. Here also, if you don't have Tamil Nadu rank, put NA. And district rank, if you have, just type that rank as well, and pay 999 rupees. So yeah, so I'm going to directly help you in the counseling with all the important updates regarding counseling, what you have to do, so and so, like how to fill the choices and everything. I'm going to help you guys. So if you want this mentorship, do check out the payment link in the description and join as soon as possible. Within 24 hours, you will be added to the WhatsApp group and we'll have one-on-one calls, and let's close the counseling in a smooth way, right? Chalo guys, if you see here, this is official website. You can see B.Tech rank list 2024 released for Thanjavur and Kumbakonam campus. You can see there are two links here: rank list 2024 engineering main campus, rank list 2024 engineering SRC campus. So let me just open the main campus. So I have one student login details for you so that I can show you everything. So you just need to enter your application user ID and password and click on sign in. So after that, you will be taken to this particular page with personal details at the start. So you can just verify them and click on next. So they will show you the personal details, and if you so you can see this particular student has got 987 total marks in the class 12, and he got percentile of 90.670 percentile in JEE mains. So please keep that in the mind, so that you can also compare it with your like stream 1 and stream 2 rank. Yes, so here they're asking for some documents and all, so maybe you can just attach them, upload them. They're asking for 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and JEE or CLAT score. Okay, now coming to rank details. So these are the rank details which this particular student have got. So with 987 marks and JEE means 90.670 7135 percentile. So it is asking, is your class 12 and JEE score correct or not? So based on this, is yes or no, just confirm it and just click yes or no. Okay, so this is also one of the important step. Okay, so now if you see the rank, stream 1 rank, he got 1571, where JEE means and plus 2 marks are considered, and stream 2, which is only specially for plus 2 marks, so he got 265 rank. Now there is this particular option called so you can see All India rank, Tamil Nadu rank, Thanjavur and Trichy city. So basically, if you are a Tamil Nadu student, you will get All India and Tamil Nadu rank. And if you are also from Tamil Nadu and from Thanjavur district, so you'll get 3 ranks: All India, Tamil Nadu rank, Thanjavur district. If you are from Trichy city or Trichy district, so you'll get 3 ranks: All India, Tamil Nadu and Trichy. Apart from these, if you are any place outside Tamil Nadu, then you will only get All India rank. So this person is from Telangana, so he got All India rank, stream 1 1517 and stream 2 265. Fine. So now that you have seen the rank, so the next question, I know whatever you are going to ask. So whatever cutoffs I have, which I've collected last year, I'm going to share it again. So last time also I made a separate video regarding this cutoff, but still, just to help you all out, all of you, so I'm showing you this Excel sheet as well. If you want this Excel sheet, check the link in the description. You can just click that link and download that Excel sheet, so that you can use it on your laptop or mobile, and you can just use the data whatever you have. Okay, if you see here, for example, let's say I have got 265 rank. Let's see, I have shown you already stream to 265 rank. How I have what? So in which way I have to search? If you can see in the stream allotted, there is this filter. You can use that and just apply stream 2. Now he belongs to All India rank category, All India category, not Tamil Nadu. So I'll just use only AIR. Okay. So now if you see air to stream 2, so just I can just use this stream to air rank and just sort it with smallest to largest. You can see 59 to 4018 is what I have seen here. Okay, now the thing is, so he got 265 rank. So according to last year, around 230 rank, someone from Andhra Pradesh got computer science and engineering. And if you see 333, someone from Andhra Pradesh, they have got IT. So surely his rank is somewhere 265. So in between that, So you can just guess that he would surely get into computer science and engineering or information technology, IT. So that's how you can use this Excel sheet and just see for a guess. So there might be some wrong information as well, because few students wantedly filled wrong information, so please be careful with that. So that's how you can check. Join my Telegram group. I'm going to share this Excel sheet there. You can download it and you can use it on your laptop from there. Okay, so Telegram group link is also in the description. So that is something regarding cutoffs. Now coming to counseling instructions. So these are the instructions given to you in the counseling. So first step is check your Sastra ranks, so which I already shown you how to check, and confirmation of your class 12 and JEE main score. This is also I have shown you. So you have to click yes or no, where here is your class 12 and JEE scores are correct. If not correct, they are asking you to upload it properly, so kindly update the same and attach the mark sheet or scorecard as a proof of further action. Because if you click on yes when you submit your documents, and if they are not matching, so that might cause a problem. So if please check it properly whether your percentile and marks are correct or not. If there is any change, they are not going to change the ranks, but for the verification purpose they are asking you to update it if yes or no. Okay, if they are correct or not. Okay, now coming to submission of branch choices. So here you have a submit choice of branches, right? So let me just click this. So if I click this, this is where I'm going to come. So basically this is for main campus Thanjavur. So if you have applied for SRC Kumbakonam also, you have to do it separately. So you can see if you click any option, it will be added to the right. So these are the choice of branches. Let's say for example I'm just adding computer science like this. Okay, so first I am preferring computer science, then I want to go for ECE. So then I want to also add information technology. So I want to move information technology above ECE. What I can do is I can just drag it above. So this is how I can do. If I want ECE core to be at the last, I can just bring it down like this. So this is how I can change the options. So I can add, if I click this back again, if this one, it will come back to this option. Okay, so below you have save and submit. So save in the sense you can still make changes, but if you submit, you can see here they have mentioned, once you have submitted your choices, no change in preferences shall be entertained. Please be careful while submitting the choices. Okay, so now round 1 allotment is going to come post that. So let's see. So rank list 15 June 9 PM done. It's already done. If you see here submission of branch choices, so that is starting from June 15 9 PM to June 20 9 AM. So if you see, all applicants need to submit their choices. So in JOSA, even if you don't submit whatever choices are there in your portal, they will get logged automatically. But in Sastra, it's not like that. If you submit only, they will consider those choices. If you don't submit, while filling application, you have filled some choices, right? They are going to consider them. Okay, so that is one important thing. Please be careful. If you want to be sure about what your actual preference is, just fill it and submit it. Okay, that is before June 29 AM. Round 1 allotment you are going to get on June 21st 5 PM, and from June 21st to June 27 till 9 AM. So you have to pay the tuition fees if you want to confirm that seat. And sliding process against R1 vacancy. So if after allotment, you can choose sliding option if you want to. For example, you got 4th choice, so you want to try in the top 3. If there are any vacant seats, you want to slide to those branches, then you can put that like sliding process against R1 vacancy. That is on 27th 5 PM, and round 2 allotment is going to come on 27th 9 PM, and fee payment for round 2. Whoever gets the new allotment, they have to pay till before July 3rd 9 AM. And if any chance, if at any level after getting allotment, if you don't pay, you can't move ahead and you can't claim back your seat. Your seat will be cancelled if you don't pay the fees. Okay, and sliding process against R2 vacancy after round 2. If there are any vacant seats, if you want to slide more, if still there are above options, you want to try better options, better choices, then you can put slide again. Round 3 would be on July 3rd. Last date to pay is July 8th again 9 AM. And if you don't pay here also for the first time, if you get allotment and if you don't pay the fees, your seat will be cancelled. So round 4, it's a fee. Round 4 allotment will be happening on July 8th 9 PM, and before July 15 9 AM you have to pay the fees. And sliding process against R4 vacancy, that is on July 15 5 PM it's going to start. So July 15 onward, subsequent rounds of counselling, merged stream allotments for sliding requests, and those not allowed followed by online payment. So after July 15, what is going to happen is, for example, let's say 4 seats left in stream 1, 3 seats left in stream 2. They are going to merge them, both of them. So total 7 seats. So based on the rank, they will allot the seats after July 15th. So that's merged stream allotment. and induction program is going to start in second week of August, and the first year classes will start after that. And regarding hostel like accommodation and transport, you can see hostel fees is 15,000 per year, and I think mess fees will be separate, I guess. And Thanjavur campus is only for students residing outside a commutable radius of 75 km. So if your house is more than 75 km, then you will get a hostel there. There is no hostel accommodation for SRC campus. However, private hostels nearby campus are available. University buses will continue to commute to Thanjavur campus from Trichy, Thanjavur, Kumbakonam and Pattukottai. Okay. Withdrawal procedure. Withdrawal after payment of tuition fee is possible from July 3rd. So after July, now you have paid the fees, but then you decided you want to withdraw the seat. Then from July 3rd, 2024 onwards, you have the option to withdraw the seat and you can get the refund of the amount. The applicable refund shall be made online to the registered bank account after the entire admission process is over. So they're going to refund after complete admission process over. That's more about counseling, guys. So check your rank, let me know in the comment section. So please fill your choices before 20th and submit them. Don't just fill, also submit them. Okay guys, chalo, that's it guys. That's it for this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.